Real Polak, do 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 do. Real Polak, do 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 do. Real Polak, do 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 do. Real Polak, yeah. Hey, you got the Real Polak here. I'm gonna show you how to get a bird out of your house. Oh God. Okay. Oh. Oh. With a fishing net. Bo, leave it. Come on, buddy. No. Bo, leave it. It's all right, buddy. I'm here to help. Oh. Oh. Come on, buddy. Get out of the way! God dang it! It's alright, buddy. It's alright. Hey. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. Get out of here. No.
Pretty bird. Yeah, can you say pretty bird? Pretty bird. Yes, pretty bird.
Let go of my hand. No. A fishing net is all you need. Is that a hen? Hen?
You stupid idiot! You're fat, bloated, stupid idiot!
H-R-E-N? Oh, shit! Bobo! No! Uh-uh. Bobo! Bobo! I found it's better to if you just open up a window and that especially when you have a meat puppet like that. Hey Bo, he's gone. He gone. He gone. So in the future, just open up a window.